guys, Yumi here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your window regulator on your 2007 to 2012 Nissan Versa. Some tools and supplies you will need is a plastic trim removal tool, a screwdriver set, a 10mm wrench, a suction cup lifter, a brake cleaner, silicone based lubricant, silicone sealant. Make sure to wear some gloves so you protect your hands from cuts and scrapes. In addition, you don't want to get any fingerprints on your glass as well. And of course, we need to have the replacement regulator with the motor and some rags. First, we'll be using our plastic trim removal tool to remove the window switch on the armrest. Alternatively, you can use a flathead screwdriver with a rag covering it. Next, we will remove the Phillips screws. There's 2 of them on the front doors and 1 of them on the rear doors. Now we'll be using the plastic trim removal tool again to remove the plastic trim on the door handles, silver, and then there's also a black trim piece behind it. Now it's time to remove the door panel. And how to remove the door panel, you put the plastic trim removal tool, wedge it under, pull. You should hear it snap or pop, and those are the white fasteners underneath that are disconnected. Next, you'll need to disconnect the wiring harness from the speaker and then remove the plastic. Next, we need to reconnect the window switch. Now put your key in the ignition and turn it to on. Now we need to roll the window down so then the window regulator will be at the desired height so we can unscrew it. And then there is an access hole here for the left-hand side. You just need an extension to reach that bolt right there. So you just need to line it up. Now disconnect the key from the ignition. Now we attach our suction cup holder. Put it at the lowest possible height. Press firmly and lock it in place. Now we disconnect the connector for the window regulator motor. Now we take our 10mm wrench and unscrew these bolts to unmount the motor. Now there's 4 more bolts we need to disconnect, which connect to the tracks, I believe. It connects to the... Actually, there's 6. There's 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 on the inside. And then it connects the rest of the window regulator. Now once you've disconnected all the bolts, you should be able to set the, or take the window regulator out. So I got this window regulator used from a junkyard for around $30. So there's a lot of old lubricant that needs to be cleaned off that's mixed in with a lot of gunk. I don't know how long it's been sitting out like this, so that's why I advised using brake cleaner. If you have a new regulator, then you do not need to clean it. Once you're done cleaning the tracks with brake cleaner, you need to spray our lubricant onto the tracks. And then we let it dry, and then flip it over and do the other side as well. And we also want to spray the cable spool that's on the back of the motor. Now we would want to connect the replacement motor. Put the keys in the ignition and turn it to on. Now we need to adjust the regulator, the new one, with the window switch to make it the same level as the one we're replacing. So then it will align with the window level. Now you should disconnect the key from ignition, and then also disconnect the connector from the motor. So then, because this is not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be in there once you have the motor inside the door. Now if it's not quite aligned right, I recommend pushing up on the glass. You should be able to get it in. Once you tighten all your bolts, you reconnect your motor here. And then remove your switch. Once you've disconnected the window switch, you'll need to put back the plastic. First we need to put the wires through, like so. And then loosely put the plastic back on.